After making over 6 figures with the Amazon Influencer Program in the last year and helping over 400 students get approved and start making their first dollar with the program, I'm going to be going over the 5 biggest mistakes that new influencers make and why they don't get approved, why they don't make the money that they want, and why they're not scaling to where they want to be. Let's get into it. All right, so let's dive right into it and unpack the 5 biggest mistakes that new influencers make. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I appreciate the support. So jumping into the first mistake, there's 2 parts to this. The first part is applying to the program without a strategy. And then the second part to that is applying, getting rejected, and then giving up and saying, oh, it's not for me. I can't do this. It's too good to be true. So let's unpack both of those. The first one is applying without a strategy. I see so many people go and they just Google Amazon Influence Program, apply, and they just go and click a few buttons, and then they get rejected and they were like, well, what did I do wrong? Like, I didn't do anything. Like, I should be approved. And it's like, well, technically not, because you don't know anything about the program, you don't understand what Amazon is looking for, and you don't have a proper strategy to get approved. You just are basically crossing your fingers and praying, please get approved, please get approved. And sometimes people do. And if you get lucky, that's great. We'll be talking about some other mistakes that people make after they do exactly that. But going in blind with no strategy or no understanding of what you're actually applying for is going to hurt you, because to the second part, you're going to get rejected and then immediately think, oh, well, it's not for me. I give up and I quit. And no, it's not a scam because you didn't get approved. You just, again, didn't know what you were doing. So let's give you guys some tips on some strategies that you guys can implement in order to set yourself up for success. So the first one is to have an active social media. If you guys haven't posted in years and it's just kind of dormant, it's not going to work. You need to have an active account. Profile pictures and pictures that you're posting, ideally they should be of you. They should be not of sunsets. They should not be of motivational posts or repurposed content or content of other people. It should be content of you. The next is you should have a public profile. You can't have it private. You can't have comments hidden and things like that. Anytime that you do that, Amazon does not like that and they reject it. So those are some tips that you need to make sure that you do when applying. And that's super important, is again, making sure that you're not just rushing things and you actually go and do the things that are going to set yourself up for success. And again, for the most part, 99% of people that apply are going to get rejected. But lucky for you, if you guys do need help and if you're like, look, I've tried and I can't figure it out, well, we have a 100% success rate because we have helped 400 individuals start from 0 and get approved. So if you guys need help, we can guarantee your approval. I'll put the link down below with more information. But that is the first and biggest mistake, is they throw in the towel or they just don't have a strategy. So that's the first one. Jumping into number 2 is getting on-site placement. This is make or break. And I don't want to scare you, but at the same time, I do want to perk up your ears a little bit and help you guys understand the importance of getting on-site placement unlocked. Because if you don't have this, it's impossible to make money. And this is what makes the influencer program so powerful. And jumping into that mistake, people don't know what they're getting themselves into. They don't even know what on-site placement is. They don't understand what Amazon is looking for. And to help you and to save you a lot of time, on-site placement is what allows you to get placed on listings. So if this is a product listing right here, and say I'm going to be buying a microphone, if I click right here to these videos, and right here, these are videos from influencers. And if I click on this and watch this video and then buy the product, this influencer is going to get a commission. But the only way to get your videos to display on what we call top carousel is if you get on-site placement unlocked. So in order to get this unlocked, you first have to apply, become eligible. So that's part 1 to the approval process. Part 2 is unlocking on-site placement. And this is where you have to submit 3 videos to Amazon. And if these 3 videos don't fit Amazon's criteria, they're going to reject you. And you can try 3 different times. And if you, on the 3rd attempt, fail, you have no more options. You cannot get on-site placement unlocked. So this is where you need to understand what those 3 videos need to be in order to get approved. So the tip here for you guys is to come to right here to Creator University, and this is the ultimate guide for influencers and associates, and come right here and learn the do's and don'ts of the program and read the operating agreement and understand what Amazon is looking for and what Amazon allows in videos and what Amazon does not allow in videos. And that is why people get rejected when it comes to on-site placement, is because the 3 videos that they upload don't follow their operating agreement and terms of service. They violate the policies and the videos don't meet Amazon standards, and that is why they get rejected. So that is the second and probably the biggest mistake. And I see so many people reach out to me and they're like, Trevin, I've posted 50 videos, I've posted 100 videos, and I have not generated any commissions. And the answer to that is you don't have on-site placement. If you have not generated any commissions after 50, 100 videos, then you did something wrong, and it's because you don't have on-site placement. If you're posting, again, 50, 100 videos, you should be generating money. It's guaranteed to be making money if you have on-site placement, but if you don't, then you're basically toast and you're not able to make money. So again, becoming eligible is one part, applying with a strategy, and not just throwing in the towel, because it's possible to get approved. And then second, getting approved for on-site placement is crucial. And again, part of our guarantee approval is we help you become eligible. And then the second part is we actually verify your 3 videos and make sure that there's something that you're not missing or something that you need to add or take away or adjust or change, so that when you do submit those, you have the likelihood of getting that on-site placement. So those are 2 massive mistakes. And again, this video alone, those 2 things will literally make it to where you either make money or don't. It's that simple. The third mistake that I see influencers make is not uploading enough. They think, oh, I'm only going to upload 1 or 2 videos a day, and that's so much work and that's so many videos, and I'm going to start printing money. But I hate to break it to you, 1 to 2 videos a day is nothing. I can do about 20 to 25 videos in 1 hour. And so if you want to scale and take the influencer program to that next level, you need to be cranking out the videos, and you need to be filming, and you need to be putting in that effort. If you're only doing 1 video here, 1 video there, and you might have, let's say, 30 videos or 50 videos, that's not very many. And it's kind of a numbers game where the more videos you have, the more money you're going to make, and the more you're going to be comfortable with making these videos, the more you're going to understand the strategy of what works and what doesn't. And again, so many beginners just overthink this process, and they're like, I don't even know what to do. I don't even know where to start. So here are some tips that are going to help you guys really find the best products to review and get on the right track to really taking advantage of this program, because again, it's absolutely insane. The results that I've seen and the students have seen is just ridiculous. And so going back to the mistake of not uploading enough, there is a tool called Viral View. And this is an absolute game changer. I'll put the link down below. You guys can get a 10% discount for life using code VIRAL10. And you're going to be able to utilize this tool to scan your Amazon Prime order history. So right here, we are on my Amazon Prime shopping account, and basically what you're going to do is go to your orders tab and you're going to scan your entire order history. As you can see, there's 1,200 orders that I was able to go in and scan. And what this is going to do is from here, you're going to click on the extension and you're going to be able to sort it and find what products have the most potential. And when I say the most potential, the most sales, the most open carousel, so where it's low competition, and where you have the product because it's in your orders. And so those are the products that you're going to want to jump on ASAP. And if you can do this, this is where you're going to start making money faster. You're going to build that momentum, and you're going to become addicted, and you're going to be like, I need to do more. I need to do more. And it's going to light a fire underneath you to help motivate you to push to upload more videos. So this is going to help you identify what products are around your house that you already have. You don't need to buy any products. These are literally products that I've purchased. And so right here, we're talking about 1,200 products. 1,200 products in my order history that I'm now able to filter and adjust and see, okay, this revenue, I don't have any videos. I can see the commission. I can see the price. I can see how many total influencer videos are on there, the top carousel, whether it's open or not. Those are the products that you're going to want to look at. So Viral View has been an absolute game changer. And if you're not using this, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And again, this tool is going to help you get more videos out because it's going to help you identify those winning opportunities that are going to produce an insane ROI. And the fourth mistake new influencers make is not leveraging viral view when it comes to shopping on Amazon. If you're like me, you probably shop way too much on Amazon. And I'm guilty of it, but at the end of the day, it's very convenient and I just love being able to click a button and get the products that I need sent to my house in less than 24 hours. It's kind of crazy. And so what you need to do is you need to change your mindset when you're buying products, and you need to buy the best products that have the most potential to review for the influencer program. And the way that we do that is by using Viral View. So Viral View will help you scan your order history, find the best products that you already have, but it will also help you when it comes to buying products. So if you're going to Amazon and you need to purchase, let's say, a new toothbrush or new sheets or a new pillow or a new standing desk in this case, you should be buying the product that has the highest potential score to review, which then in return, you might be able to buy the product and make back all of the money just from commissions. And so it pays for itself. And I've seen this when I strategically buy the best products, or in other words, products that have the highest revenue and the most open carousel or the lowest competition. That is where I can buy a product and basically get it for free. It's absolutely insane. So right here, I'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So go to Amazon, search standing desk, and here's the extension right here. So you can see it has all the numbers, but what is really cool is you click right here and it will pull up an entire data chart showing, okay, this is the price, these are the daily sales, so the revenue. So I could filter this by revenue and see, okay, which one is selling the most. And I want to review that because I can kind of capitalize on that. But there's also additional things that I'm looking at, and that is, what is the total influencer video count, or what is the top carousel open availability? So you can see right here, this one has 9 total influencer videos with only 5 on that top carousel. And you can see the other ones have a lot more. So if I was to buy this one that had 21 influencer videos, well, it's going to be pretty hard for me to compete and make money. Whereas if I come down here and I buy this one that only has 2, well, I would be the only one basically on this carousel, and I could go in and dominate. And this one is doing $50,000 per month. So if I can buy this product and then I can review it and be the only one on top carousel, I can take all of those commissions and I can basically pay for itself over again. I mean, right here, the commission is basically $3 a unit. And if it's selling $50,000 every single month, which is 12 units a day, like all I need to do is basically sell a couple units a day, or a unit a day. And within a month or two, it basically pays for itself. And so again, when it comes to buying products on Amazon, you need to strategically buy and leverage Viral View, find the highest selling where there's the open carousel, there's not too many total influencer videos, and then buy that product. And the thing is right here, like these products are very similar. Like they're the same exact product, but one has more potential when it comes to the influencer program versus the other. So if I'm looking at this one, you can see that this one is doing 91,000, this one's doing 175,000. So this one is doing more, but you can see the total influencer video is 26, where this one, the carousel is wide open. And so I'm definitely going to be looking at buying this one instead of this one. And so that is how you strategically buy the best products to review. And just by doing that, again, you're not going out of your way and buying products specifically for this. If you're going to buy it anyways, well, you might as well buy the best product that's going to produce the biggest ROI and return on your money spent. And the fifth mistake that I see new influencers make is not leveraging brand deals. Brand deals are the best way to scale your influencer account to 5 figures per month. Getting just commissions to 5 figures per month is very difficult. I'm not saying it's impossible, like you can do it, but if you want to make money to where you can quit your 9-to-5 job, the way to do it is with brand deals. And basically a few tips with this is people are going to be reaching out to you to send you free products in exchange for videos. And what you should be doing is charging for these videos. You shouldn't be doing them for free. You should say, hey, I will do a video for XYZ fee, and in return, I'll post the video. And brand deals are crucial. And the way to get those, again, people will reach out to you. And the way that people reach out to you is they find you because of the videos that you're posting. So you need to upload more videos. The more videos you upload, the more brand deals that you get. Now, there are high advanced tactics and strategies that I am going to gatekeep. I'm not going to share publicly because I don't want everyone to know how we are getting these brand deals. But if you guys are serious and you want to learn these brand deals and how to acquire them, I'll put the link down below where you guys can get more information on that. But again, the influencer program is absolutely insane. There's so much potential. There's so much opportunity, and you guys need to go take advantage of it. So let's recap real quick. The 5 biggest mistakes: applying without a strategy and giving up when you get rejected. I'm telling you, you can get approved if you have the right strategy. And if you need help, the link will be down below. Number 2, on-site placement. You have 3 shots only. So make sure that you read the do's and don'ts, you understand the community guidelines, and you understand what Amazon is looking for. And if you fail on that and you don't have on-site placement, well, you cannot make money. But again, we can help you. We'll verify your 3 videos. The 3rd, you need to post. Use Viral View, the order history, scan your order history to help you make more. 4, shop on Amazon with the intent to review. Change that mindset, and instead of just buying random products, buy the products that have the most potential. And then number 5, leverage brand deals to scale. I'm telling you right there, that is more value than you'll see in any YouTube period. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys took notes. You might have to go rewatch it, but I'll put the links all down below to Viral View, to the resources. Take advantage of the program because I've never seen something so good and so easy and simple. And it's something that you guys need to take advantage of. I just want to kind of grab your head and just say, hey, let's go. Come on, get fired up, because I'm fired up and I hope you are too. Anyways, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe. I appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next video.